Oh, hello, hello.
Can you say?
So there they are in the first gate that every horse can do. This is walk. A 4-meter gate, not very fast, but at least Linda doesn't have to walk herself. And if Linda goes a little bit faster, Jamie goes to trot. A 2-meter gate with suspension, so it's bumpy for Linda. Now, the third gate that every horse can do, gallop, sometimes called canter. 3-meter gate with a suspension, everyone knows that from the movie.
I think
So, and then we have the pure Icelandic gate. 4-meter gate, faster than walk, but the same arrangement of the feet, and a lot nicer for Linda, not as bumpy as trot. And this is Linda trying to find the handbrake. She's gonna stay with. Just for you to show how smooth the tilt actually is, it's a pure. My phone.
Yeah.
So this is my friend Superstar. They give their horses names a lot from how they look, from the colors, from the markings. He has a nice, really big star in his forehead. So he's named Superstar. He likes beer. He likes it. He's the only one. That's come from his name. He really likes beer. All the other horses, they just turn their heads away. They don't want to. You know, no kissing after this. He can kiss for candy, but I will not allow him now. Now he has a really bad the day after smell. I owe him a candy now.
No! By a horse. Oh my god.
Okay. Now you can kiss, okay? Come closer, I will not. Wow, he has a really bad the day after smell. But it's Sunday, so weird smell from you. Icelandic horses can easily be over 30 years old. So we never have any rush to start training them. We wait till they are around 4 years old. And then they can, the oldest horse we have in Fridheimar. No breathing on my glasses, I can't see anything. The oldest horse we have, he's 30 years old now, this summer. And the kids are still riding him, he really loves it.